जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीरवनचारी। यशोदा यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीरवनचारी। यशोदानंदन जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। अमृत जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे। गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नित्य लीला सुख मोह कृष्ण Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Radhe Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Madhu Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Radhe Hare Krishna Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Ram Nityananda 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 Gauranga 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 Nityananda 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 Gauranga 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 Nityananda 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 Gauranga 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 Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Gaura Hari Gaura Hari Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Rasaraj Mahabhav Gaur Hari Rasaraj Mahabhav Gaur Hari Jaya Rasaraj Mahabhav Gaur Hari Rasaraj Mahabhav Gaur Hari Gaura 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 निताई गौर हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय। श्री नाम संकीर्तन की जय। श्री वृंदा देवी तुलसी महारानी की जय। श्री राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड धाम की जय। श्री अष्ट सखी गण की जय। श्री चौषष्ट मंजरी गण की जय। श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री गुरु परंपरा की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। श्री सप्तम गोस्वामी कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की जय। श्री अष्टम गोस्वामी सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। श्री गौर किशोर दास बाबा जी महाराज की जय। श्री रूप सनातन की जय। श्री विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर की जय। नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर की जय। श्रीनिवास नरोत्तम श्यामानंद रामचंद्र रसिकानंद प्रभु की जय। श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय। भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय। श्री गुरुदेव की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंद। All glories to the assembled devotees, all glories. All glories to the assembled. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। शृण्वतां स्वकथा कृष्ण पुण्यश्रवण कीर्तना। हृदयन्तस्थो अभद्राणि विधूनोति सुरेत्सताम्। श्री चैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे बालोऽपि यद् अनुग्रहात् तरेन नानामतग्राह व्याप्तं सिद्धान्तसागरम्। वन्दे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य नित्यानन्दौ सहोदितौ गौडोदये पुष्पवन्तौ चित्रौ सन्दौ तुमोनुदौ। Let these two who are like the sun and the moon, they appear on the horizon of my heart. Because when they appear in the horizon, then they destroy all the darkness in my heart. All the darkness is gone. And the beauty of their divine qualities manifests in my heart. So, Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita अन्येर संग में आमी जत सुख पाई राधा होय ताहा होयते राधा सुख शतोधिकार. I am sorry for the one day break in the katha. But if there is a break, then the eagerness to increase the katha increase. So, that's not the reason I got cold. So, Radharani feels hundreds of times more happiness than me when both of us unite. Then Radharani's happiness is 100 times. Shato adhikai. Shato means 100. 100 times adhikai means more than me. Radha feels happiness. To explain this verse, Krishnadas Kaviraj is quoting from Rupa Goswami's निर्धुतामृत माधुरी परिमल कल्याणी बिंबाधरो वक्त्रम पंकज सौरभम कुहरित श्लाघाभिदस्ते गिरः अंगम चंदन शीतलम तनुरियम सौंदर्य सर्वस्य भाग त्वामासाद्य ममेदम इंद्रियकुलम राधे मुहुर्मोदते. My dear Radharani, your body is the source of all beauty. Your red lips are softer than the sense of immortal sweetness. Your face bears the aroma of a lotus flower. Your sweet words defeat the vibrations of the cuckoo, and your limbs are cooler than the pulp of sandalwood. All my transcendental senses are overwhelmed in ecstatic pleasure by tasting you, who are completely decorated by beautiful qualities. Bolo Jai Jai Shri Radhe. When you think of Radharani also you feel cooling in your because her divine form is so cooling, more cooling than the pulp of sandalwood. Only Krishna can experience that. The Manjaris and the Sakhis also experience when they touch Radharani, when they serve Radharani. So, her sweet words, they defeat the vibrations of the cuckoos. If even once some words of Radharani fall into your ears, your spiritual form will be fully awakened. Vaktram pankaja saurabham. Your face bears the aroma of sweetness. And your lips are softer then the sense of immortal sweetness. So Krishna, in various means, he explores the beauty of Radha throughout the day and night in the Nitya Leela. In Giriraj here in the Dan Ghati, Krishna stops Radha and asks for Dan, and he tells his Madhu Mangal becomes his scribe, and he describes every form of Radha and what tax Radha has to pay for each beautiful limb of Radha. Radha has to pay tax. And Krishna is remembering each beautiful limb of Radha. And Madhu Mangal is writing, yes. What tax? For your beautiful face, Radha, you have to give me 10 million diamonds. Tax. Because your beautiful face is agitating me all the time. So you have to pay tax for that. Like that, on any pretext, Krishna wants to remember the beauty of Radha. Radharani trains her Shuka, her parrot, to sing the beauty of Krishna. And Krishna trains his sari, female parrot, to sing the beauties of Radha. And in Radha Kund, when the male and female parrots they gather and they are glorifying Radha and Krishna's beauty, then even both Radha and Krishna become astonished. This is the beauty of Radha Kund and Shyama Kund. Super excellent pastimes. So, Krishna always is thinking of the beauty of Radha. In fact, surprising thing is when Krishna meets Radha, then instead of relishing his own happiness, Krishna starts hankering for the happiness which Radha is relishing. This is very big secret. Krishna starts hankering. When he comes very close to Radha, he sees that Radha is relishing more than him. So he starts wondering, what is she relishing about me that I don't know? I want to know. I want to understand. What is she that she thinks, what she feels about me? The thing is, Krishna is in everyone's heart. Krishna can know what we are feeling. But Radharani is feeling unlimited ecstasies at every moment. All the ornamental, ecstatic embellishments. So Krishna cannot relish them. Radha actually defeats Krishna. The more Krishna tries to understand Radharani, the more he is baffled. The more he is confused. What is this Radha? What is this Radha? I want to understand. So in that way, Krishna is curiosity is increasing more and more and more. Rupekam shaharasya lubda nayanam sparshe tirsyattvacham vanyam utkalita shrutim parimale samrishta nashaputam arajyad rasanam kiladhar bhute nyanchan mukham bhuruham dambhodgirna mahadritim bahirapi prodyat vikara kulam. Her eyes are enchanted by the beauty of Lord Krishna, the enemy of Kansa. Her body thrills in the pleasure of his touch. Her ears are always attracted to his sweet voice. Her nostrils are enchanted by his fragrance, and her tongue hankers for the nectar of his soft lotus lips. She hangs down her lotus-like face, exercising self-control only by pretense. But she cannot help showing the external signs of her spontaneous attraction for Lord Krishna. All this is to be realized in your heart. What Radha is feeling for Krishna. The first verse is what Krishna is feeling for Radha. The second verse is what Radha is feeling for Krishna. Her ears are always attracted to his sweet voice. Krishnera madhuravani amritera tarangini. Her nostrils are always enchanted by his fragrance. Vamshivadana suvasa. And her tongue hankers for the nectar, Adharamrit of Krishna. This is the Radharani's constant meditation on Krishna. Tate jani mute ache kono ekaros amar mohini radha taro karibos. Beautiful, very confidential. I am thinking like this about Radhika, and I understand there is one particular rasa, one particular mellow which Radharani is conquering in her heart. She is capturing in her heart, and that is why she is enchanting me also. Amar Mohini Radha Tare Karevash. She is capturing that rasa in her heart, and that is why she attracts me. Even more than seeing my own beauty, when I see the beauty of Radha, I can see her beauty and my beauty both in the face of Radha, because Radha is relishing my beauty. So I can feel a higher happiness by looking at Radha. Ama hoite Radha pae ji jatiya sukh taha asvadite ami sadai unmukh. You can imagine if one person knows everything, like a big manager, owner of a company, he knows everything what is happening in the company, but he does not know one thing. How curious he will be to find out that thing. Very curious. Even just one thing he doesn't know. He knows everything else in the whole creation. He doesn't know just one thing. He will be very curious. No, I have to know this. This is the only thing which I don't know. CEO, as a CEO, you must be knowing that. You need to know what is happening. So Krishna needs to know this. This is the only thing which is baffling him. And Unmukha. Unmukha means he is very eager, very much eager. Not only eager, Unmukha means he endeavors for that, to know the happiness which Radha is experiencing. It is known as Jatiya Sukh. Radha's happiness is known as Jatiya Sukh. Jatiya Sukh means which is unique to Radha only. There are many meanings of Jatiya Sukh, but main meaning is that it is very unique to Radha. Even Krishna does not understand that fully. And to understand that, he is always endeavoring. Nana yatna karyami nari asvadite se shukha madhurya grane लोभ बाड़े चित्ते. And the more I try to make these efforts, I am still not able to relish it. Even I look for one moment to Radha's face, I can't understand how many ecstasies, how many bhavs, mahabhavs are arising on her face, on her body, and what kind of happiness she is relishing. This is a very big mystery to me. Imagine, Krishna is the secret of all secrets, but Radharani is the higher secret. Her love is the highest secret, which even Krishna cannot unravel. He cannot solve this puzzle of Radha. Radha is the biggest puzzle in his life. And because he cannot unravel this puzzle, his greed keeps on increasing. I have to know this. She Shukha Madhurya Grhane. Grhane means smelling. Means by taking the aroma of this happiness of Radha, this sweetness of Radha, Krishna greed to understand Radha's love increases. Rasa asvadite ami kail avatar premo raso asvadiba vividha prakar. I will appear in this world to relish this rasa, precisely this rasa of Radha, which even baffles me. I will come to relish this rasa, and I will taste the different mellows of this prema rasa in very different ways, by variegated pastimes. That is why I tell you a big secret, that Gauranga's Leela is the greatest treasure house of Krishna Leela. It is the greatest treasure house of Krishna Leela. Because in Gauranga's Leela, Krishna is relishing in many different ways the love of Radha. It's a very big secret. Devotees don't have that much faith in Gauranga Leela like they have in Krishna Leela, but that is the misfortune. Because Gauranga Leela is the hidden secret of Krishna Leela. It is the heart of Krishna Leela. This Krishna's heart, which wants to relish this love of Radha. That's why Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says, Gaura Leelate Bahe Krishna Leelaro Shato Shato Dhar. Hundreds and thousands of streams of Krishna Leela are manifesting from Gaura Leela. But only a very faithful soul will understand this. They are all manifesting from Krishna Leela, from Gaur Leela. So, that is why Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Gaura Leela hoye Kaliyugir Sarvo Paridhan. You see, in Gaur Leela, what is the advantage? Is that the highest thing that Krishna's greed to understand Radha, that is the highest. There is nothing more high than this. So this Krishna's greed to understand Radha's love is encapsulated in Audarya, in mercy. So because of that, anybody can understand Gaur Leela, anybody can read Gaur Leela and understand Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna's Leela are in Madhurya. Madhurya is a little difficult to understand. You need qualification, need purity विषय छाड़िया कबे शुद्ध हबे मन, कबे हम हेरबो. You may meditate on Vrindavan for many lives, but unless your heart is fully pure, Vrindavan will not appear in your heart. So, what is the solution? Gaur Leela. Gaur Leela is Radha Krishna's Leela only, but it is encapsulated with Audharya. Which kind of medicine can you take easily? Can you take directly the medicine, or one which is put in a tablet? Nice sweet capsule. You can take that capsule. Finished. You don't have to chew that medicine and that powder. Similarly, Gaur Leela is like this. Ready-made Krishna Leela. Just put it in your sugar coated, nectar coated. So, because Krishna himself is relishing it, but at the same time he is presenting that Leela in a very practical way. Prabhupada said in the introduction to Srimad Bhagavatam that Gauranga's Leela is a practical demonstration of the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita and the Srimad Bhagavatam. So if somebody reads Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam but does not read Chaitanya Charitamrita or Chaitanya Bhagavat, then that person cannot understand fully Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. Because his example, his characteristics, Gauranga's character, are the personification of the Bhagavatam. So, राग मार्गे भक्तो भक्ति करे जय प्रकार, ताहा शिखाई बोलीला आचरण द्वार. Beautiful. This verse will interest you very much. Rag Marg. Our ultimate goal is Rag Marg. And how to attain this Rag Marg? Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu taught this Rag Marg by his Leela and by his example. So if you read Gauranga's Leela, you will become Raganuga Bhakta. Who wants to become Raganuga? Just hear Gauranga's. गौरांग महाप्रभु ने राग मार्ग सिखाया, भक्त को भक्ति दिया और अपने लीला से और अपने आचरण से उस कृष्ण के रागात्मिक भक्तों का लीला सिखाया. तो गौरांग का लीला और गौरांग का आचरण जो भी बहुत ध्यान से सुनता है, पढ़ता है, वो रागानुगा बन जाता है. Will become a Raganuga Bhakta. So easy. Very, very easy. One who reads Chaitanya Charitamrita is a real Raganuga. If one gives up Chaitanya Charitamrita, then it is very difficult to meditate on the pastimes of Radha Krishna without understanding the Rag Marga as taught by Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Everything will manifest in the heart of one who reads Chaitanya Charitamrita. One will keep it very secret, one will not show it, but जो चैतन्य चरितामृत पढ़ेगा वो उसके हृदय में राधा कृष्ण के बारे में सब स्फूर्ति होगा, क्योंकि इसमें गौर लीला में से कृष्ण लीला की हजारों धारा निकल रही है. ए तीन तृष्णा मुरो नाइल पुराण विजातीय भावे नहीं ताना स्वाद. These three desires were never fulfilled even when I was with Radharani. In fact, when I am with Radharani, the greed to understand these three desires increases even more. They cannot be fulfilled in Braj Leela because I am in a contrary position. Vijatiya bhave nahe tar aswada. Because I am the lover of Radha and Radha is my beloved. I cannot understand the mood of the beloved because I am in a contrary position. I also have to become the lover to understand the mood of the lover. ये तीन तृष्णा है, ये मुझे बहुत सताती हैं ब्रज लीला में. राधा की प्रेम की महिमा क्या है, मेरे बारे में राधा कौन सा सुख अनुभव कर रही है, मेरी सेवा कर, और राधा मेरे मधुरिमा को कैसे आस्वादन करती है. ये तीन इच्छाओं को पूरी करने के लिए मुझे और लोभ होता है. जितना मैं राधा के साथ मिलन करता हूं मेरा रोग बढ़ता है. लेकिन जब तक मैं राधा का प्रीतम हूं तब तक मैं राधा के भाव को नहीं समझ सकता, क्योंकि ये विरोधाभास है. अगर मैं प्रेमी बनूंगा तभी मैं समझ पाऊंगा. Here I am the enjoyer. I have to become the enjoyed. Then I can understand Radha's love. And now the whole Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is summarizing in one verse. One simple Bengali verse, but it summarizes the whole essence of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Radhikar Bhav Kanti अंगीकार विने शेती न सुख कभू नहे आस्वादने. राधा भावे अंगीकार धरी तारो वर्णो तीन सुख आस्वादिते होबे अवतीर्ण. राधा भाव अंगीकार धरी तार वर्ण तीन सुख आस्वादिते होबे अवतीर्ण. How can I explain this? The meaning of these two verses is that I can only understand Radha's love if I become Radha. If I get the mood and the complexion of Radha. The lustre, Bhava Kanti. It is known as Bhava Kanti. Kanti means effulgence and Bhav means the emotions. The Mahabhav of Radha is manifested in her mood, in her in her color, in her golden color. Her mood is permeating. The mood of Mahabhav is permeating in her color. राधा का जो महाभाव है वो राधा के वर्ण में और राधा के भाव में प्रकट होता है. तो जब तक मैं राधा का भाव नहीं लूंगा तब तक मैं राधा को कभी नहीं समझ सकता. ये कृष्ण के रूप में भी मैं राधा को नहीं समझ सकता. I can never understand Radha even while remaining as Krishna. It's very interesting. Krishna himself cannot understand. I have to change myself into something different. I have to give up me being Krishna and I have to become somebody else. I have to become somebody else to understand Radha's love. Who will I become? I don't know. But I will take the mood of complexion, so that I can relish my three innermost desires 24 hours. Because if I take the mood of Radha, then day and night I can always think of what Radha is thinking. I can always feel what Radha is feeling. I can always do what Radha is doing. So I want to accept Radha's mood. Sarva bhave kaila Krishna ei to nishchoy heno kale ailo युग अवतार समय सर्व भावे means by all means. Krishna was attempting to understand these three innermost desires, so he decided that I will accept Radha's Bhavkanti. At that time, this 28th Chatur Yuga of the 7th Manvantar, the Kali Yuga, started in this universe of the four-headed Brahma. Because there are many universes, millions of universes. But in this universe, Kali Yuga, the 28th Kali Yuga of the 7th Manvantar started. And the time came for the Yuga Avatar, who teaches Harinam, Sankirtan in the all Kali Yugas. He is known as Yuga Avatar. He is Gaur Narayan form. He is a bluish form. Golden form is only in this Kali Yuga. So, in Kali Yuga, the normal Yuga avatar color is also yellow, but that yellow is not the same yellow as this Kali Yuga. This yellow is Radha's color. That is why he is known as Gauranga. Anga means his complexion is golden yellow, which is the part of the mood of Radharani. This golden yellow is a characteristic of Radharani's mood. Which is more beautiful, Sham or Gaur? Think properly and ask. Both. Ashok ji is Sham, so he is saying Sham. Both. Actually, Gaura is more beautiful. Because the confirmation is there in Chaitanya Mangal, where Narad Muni sees that form of Gauranga. Like a golden lotus whirl, beautiful form of Gauranga. He faints, he cannot see so much light coming. Gauranga's form. Actually, Krishna shows him that form. But after he sees Gauranga's form, he says to him, I want to always see this form. Because this form includes the beauty of both Radha and Krishna. See, he is Gaur, but inside he is Sham. He is Sham inside, outside he is Gaur. So his Sham complexion inside enhances the beauty of the Gaura complexion outside. So actually you are right, both. Because Gaura is both actually. Sham and Gaur. अंतर्कृष्णम बहिर्गौरम दर्शितांगडी वैभवम. Antar Krishnam Bahir Gauram. What a beautiful combination. In one form, both Sham and Gaur are there. Inside is Sham, outside is Gaur. Antare Krishna, Antare Sham.
Antare Krishna Bahire Gaur, Shati Shuta Gaur Gunadham. Eje Gaur Gunadham, Shati Shuta Gaur Gunadham.
So, राधा भाव अंगीकारी. Gauranga has many names. Radha Angi, Radha Bhavi, Radha Anveshi. Many names in relation to Radha, because his form is Radha's complexion. So he's full with Radha, experiencing Radha. So Radha Bhav Angikari. He is Radha, accepting Radha Bhav and Tina Sukha Aswadite. If we understand this chapter of Chaitanya Charitamrita, we will develop full faith in Gauranga Mahaprabhu. We will understand how Gauranga is Radha and Krishna very minutely. Otherwise, we will consider both of them as different personalities. And we will not have that much faith in Gauranga as we have in Krishna. But it is not easy to have this faith in Gauranga. Even Krishna was Nishchay. Krishna determined. Krishna was hankering for Radha's love. Then he took Gauranga's form. Even for Krishna to attain Gauranga's form, he has to make an effort. Yatna. Again the word yatna is coming here. Nana yatna koriyami. Nana means he did different endeavors to attain this form of Gauranga. Even for Krishna it is not easy. Then how the devotees can understand this form? So easily. But we are very fortunate by a stroke of good luck. I mean, we don't know what we have done. There is no amount of Sukruti, Agyan Sukruti which we to come to Gauranga. I remember when I was in my village and meditating in our bungalow. We have a huge 6 stories bungalow like a pyramid, of course, in our village. I was meditating on Krishna, trying to understand spiritual life. It was so difficult without Gauranga. It was so difficult. I did not want to go to my university, but my parents said, you have got into the most prestigious university in India, so you have to go. But who knew that I am going to enter the biggest materialistic university in India, but I am going to find the highest transcendental book of Chaitanya Charitamrita in that university. Who knew how Mahaprabhu is going to have mercy on me? If I had not gone to IIT, I would have lived in my village my whole life and just chanting. I would not have. So sometimes it is good to go with the flow, you know. Wherever Krishna sends you, you should go. Gauranga has an arrangement in everything. In fact, I would say wherever and whichever place you read Chaitanya Charitamrita, that is the best place you should stay. Whether it is Grihastha Ashram, Sannyas Ashram, Brahmachari, if you can get time to read Chaitanya Charitamrita daily, then that is your real ashram. It does not matter where you are staying. You may have a very big house, but if you are eating nice food but not reading Chaitanya Charitamrita, you are a two-legged animal. সেই পশু বড় দুরাচার. So these beautiful verses are like pearls and diamonds and emeralds. I mean, these verses you get only once in one day of Brahma. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami's Kasturi Manjari is not going to appear every time in every Kali Yuga. Don't think that he is so easy to attain. He is going to come only when Gauranga comes. And Gauranga is going to come next time after 8.64 billion years. So Chaitanya Charitamrita also will be written after 8.64 billion years again. Can you wait for that? No. So now you got this human life. Read this. It's a very short life. Hear Chaitanya Charitamrita. If you read Chaitanya Charitamrita at the end of your life, Nityananda Prabhu will come to deliver you. He will take you into Gaur Leela. Sarva bhave kaila Krishna Eida nishchay Hena kale aila yuga avatar samay. This is mentioned in Chaitanya Mangal also. When Krishna was sitting in a Singhasan and Rukmini was massaging his lotus feet. And Rukmini was crying profusely. Krishna, Krishna. Tears were flowing from her eyes. They were washing the feet of Krishna. Krishna looked at Rukmini from the top. He was sitting on the throne. Krishna is saying, Rukmini, why are you crying? Come, Rukmini, come. Krishna took the hand of Rukmini and made Rukmini sit on his lap next to him. Then Krishna and Rukmini looked at each other and they felt so happy. Looking at each other's faces, Krishna and Rukmini were so happy. But Rukmini was still crying. So Krishna says, why are you crying? Rukmini said, oh Krishna, this is the most confidential secret which you will not understand. Even in your union, I am experiencing your separation. Even within your union, I forgot which way was it. Hari Bol. Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Even within your union, I am experiencing separation. Oh Krishna, you can never understand my heart. You can never understand my mind. Oh Krishna, this is a mystery for you. Krishna looked at Rukmini. Rukmini, what are you saying? Till today, nobody has told me that I cannot understand something. Because I know everything. What are you saying? I cannot understand? What is that? Tell me. Rukmini said, that is such a mystery I cannot even tell you. I cannot even express it in my words. Then Rukmini, what should I do? You tell me, how can I understand what I cannot understand? Rukmini said, Oh Krishna, only there are two devotees in this whole creation whom you cannot understand. And that is Radha and one is me. One is Radha, one is me. But Radha's love contains my love also. Because Rukmini is Chandravali. And Radha Rani expanded as Satyabhama. So Radha and Chandravali, both their love contains everything. Radha and Chandravali are the two most important gopis in Braj Leela. So Rukmini says, you cannot understand both of us completely, but even my love is included in the love of Radha. So I cannot describe to you, or I cannot tell you what it is, but if you want to taste it, the proof of the Rasagulla is to eat it. If a Rasagulla, all of you know what is a Rasagulla. If a Rasgulla is lying in front of me, I will say, how soft this must be, how sweet it must be. Somebody will say, no, this is not a Rasgulla, this is a ping pong ball. Somebody will say, no, this is not a ping pong ball, this is an egg. Different people will give different meanings of the Rasagulla. But the best proof, the best way is to take it and eat it. When you eat the Rasagulla, then you will understand everything. So, Krishna hankering, Krishna wondering, Krishna thinking, all these things, Krishna could not understand until Krishna himself took the bhav of Radha. When he took the bhav of Radha, he understood that he relished the bhav of Radha even now. And because Radha's love always increases, that is why this Gauranga's form is not a temporary form, is not a temporary form. Gauranga Mahaprabhu created in Goloka Shri Navadvip Dham. Navadvip Dham
শিবাসঙ্গনে মহাপ্রভু পরিষদগণ শিবার গদা ধরে কে সঙ্গে হরিনাম সংকীর্তন করেছে নবদ্বীপে 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 নব 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 নবদ্বীপে মহাপ্রভু
Hari Bol, Hari Bol. So he created this Navadvip Dham to eternally enjoy Radha's happiness, because Radha's happiness is always increasing. So to enjoy the increasing happiness, his enjoyment also has to increase. So Gauranga's Leela is not a Bhauma Leela. You can't hear. Hari Bol, Hari Bol. It's coming now. Hari Bol. So, Gauranga's Leela is not a temporary manifestation. It is eternal. The moment Radha and Krishna are there, that is the same time when Gauranga is there. There is no time when Radha Krishna are not there. There is no time when Gauranga is not there. And there is no time when Radha Krishna are there but Gauranga is not there. And there is no time when Gauranga is there but Radha Krishna are not there. They are there at the same time. Simultaneously, they are enjoying their pastimes. So, Gaurangera Madhur Lila Jar Karne Praveshila हृदय निर्मल भेलुतार हृदय निर्मल भेलुतार. When our heart becomes fully purified by hearing Gauranga's Leela, then we will see Radha and Krishna very clearly in our heart. Because Gauranga Leela himself is, you see, in Krishna Leela, all the rasas are there, all the mellows are there, everything is there. But these three desires are not fulfilled of Krishna. These three desires. And for this fulfilling these three desires, Krishna takes another Leela. Krishna manifests Gaur Leela. Just to fulfill these three desires. So elaborately. And he cannot fulfill his three desires without his associates. So all the gopis, they come as the Goswamis in Gaur Leela. They become Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. They become very, very merciful. They dance with the Lord in Shrivas Angan. Just like they danced with Krishna in Vamshivat, Ras Mandal. They dance with Gauranga in Shrivas Angan. And their only purpose is to make Krishna relish these three internal purposes by Nama Sankirtan. Nama Sankirtan is so high that by Nama Sankirtan Krishna is fulfilling these three internal purposes. That is why Nama Sankirtan is even higher than Krishna. It's more, because when you do Nama Sankirtan, Krishna is dancing to your tunes. Nama nache, Krishna nache, nache premadhan. When the name of Krishna or Gauranga starts dancing on your tongue while doing Nama Sankirtan, then Krishna also starts dancing. Who can make Krishna dance? He is making all of us dance. We are all puppets in his hands. But if the puppets, they do Nama Sankirtan, then Krishna starts dancing. You see, the role is reversed. The puppeteer becomes the puppet. And the puppet becomes the puppeteer. Whatever strings you pull during Nama Sankirtan, Krishna has to dance. If you sing Nama Sankirtan with happiness. So, don't think that the dancing of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is an inferior Leela than the Ras Leela. Never think like that. The dancing of Gauranga Mahaprabhu is just like the Ras Leela. All his associates experience an even higher happiness than they experience in the Ras Leela. Prabodhanand Saraswati writes, while dancing with Gauranga, they see the whole Braj Leela in front of their eyes. When they look at Gauranga, everything is revealed. So the goal of our life is to dance in Navadvip with Gauranga Mahaprabhu, with the Panchatattva. Who wants to dance? Very good. Those who are raising both hands means want to really dance. Ultimately, Goloka is the land of dancing. Katha, Ganam, Natyam, Gamanam. Even the walking is like dancing. When we are walking in Goloka, it will be like dancing. So, what to speak of actual dancing? How beautiful it must be. Vakreshwar Pandit, we saw his deities 2-3 days back in Radha Kant Mandir here. If you go to Radha Kant temple, you will see the beautiful deity of Vakreshwar Pandit. He was the greatest dancer in Gaura Leela. While dancing, Vakreshwar Pandit told Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Mahaprabhu, give me 1,000 Gandharvas to sing. And they should play Mridanga. They should sing. Otherwise, I am not satisfied while dancing. I need 1,000 Gandharvas. Then my dancing will make you happy. Make me happy. It's like waves. So one who does not dance in Nama Sankirtan is like a dead body. What is the use of living if you don't dance in Nama Sankirtan? What is the use of these two legs? What is the use of this tongue if you don't do this Nama Sankirtan every day? Read Chaitanya Charitamrita, do Nama Sankirtan, and keep a photo of Panchatattva and Tulsi. That's enough. In front of the Panchatattva and Tulsi, you do Nama Sankirtan and read Chaitanya Charitamrita and eat some prasad. Do your japa, and that's the only thing needed in life. It is so simple. But people have made their life so complicated that they cannot accept Gauranga Mahaprabhu. In Jaiva Dharma it is stated, Jahara buddhi kutil noe, shei jon Gaurangero svikar koribe. Those who are not complicated people, they will accept Gauranga from the scriptures. They will accept the Gaur mantra from the scriptures. Vrajanath asked the Babaji, just like Krishna mantra is there to worship Krishna, where is the Gaur mantras in the scriptures? Babaji says, those who are not complicated will accept Gaur mantra easily from the scriptures. But those whose mind is complicated, even if they see the Gaur mantra, they will not accept from the script. That is said in the Jaiva Dharma. So the first quality, if we want to accept Gauranga's mercy, is we have to become Sarala. Sarala means Tarala, like water. Sarala, very, very simple-hearted. Accepting the mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Then we can receive his mercy. Tomorrow we will see, now that Krishna has decided, Nishchay, to accept Actually, when Rukmini was telling this to Krishna, then Narada also came with his Veena from the universe of the four-headed Brahma. Every universe has one Narada. So this Narada came from the universe of the four-headed Brahma, and he started telling Krishna, "Oh Krishna, please, only you have to come in this Kali Yuga. Nobody can deliver these people, because if I am going home to home and they are insulting me, they are closing their doors on my face, nobody is even hearing me." Narada was crying and very pained. So he went to call Krishna in Goloka. So at that time, both the things came that Rukmini was telling to understand Radha's love, you have to accept her mood. At the same time, Narada said, please come. The time of Kali Yuga has come in this universe of four-headed Brahma. So both the times became mixed. So this time, Gauranga Mahaprabhu ordered the Yuga Avatar, you don't go, I will go. I am the Avatari, I will go myself and I will do the function of the Yuga Avatar also. I will spread Harinam Sankirtan. But when the Avatari comes himself, he does not give ordinary Harinam Sankirtan. That can take you up to Vaikuntha, normal Harinam Sankirtan, because Hari is a form of Vishnu, even one of the Vaikuntha planets also. But when Gauranga came, he gave Prema Nama Sankirtan, that Sankirtan which can take us to Goloka, higher than Vaikuntha. And that is the same Kali Yuga in which we are born. How much we should be attached to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Being born in the same Kali Yuga as him, how much we should become attached to him. Gauranga. This is the month of Damodar and you have come in Braj. Still you are speaking as if you are muting your mouth. Please chant loudly. Gaura! There is one more problem in the basement. The voice does not go outside. So you'll have to chant more loudly. Once Maharaj was telling me to install some wire speaker so that he can also hear the katha, because he can't hear inside the basement, the voice doesn't go outside. So please chant more loudly the voice outside. Go! Wonderful, thank you. You have delivered everyone today. Thank you very much. Next. Any questions or comments? This Chaitanya Charitamrita class is very, very ecstatic. Even I also feel very nice. So maybe we'll continue this after Kartik also. Every day. Hari Bol. From Radharani came the Kaya Vyuhas, gopis. From gopis came the queens. From queens came Sita. From Sita came Lakshmi. So Lakshmi is a expansion of the expansion of Rukmini. I don't know when I entered into my library, It is the biggest library in Central Library in Asia, IIT Mumbai. So there was a philosophical section on the left side. And when I entered into the philosophical section, in the 4th or 5th rack from the beginning, on the top of, because Chaitanya Charitamrita is always at the top, it is not at the bottom. Chaitanya Charitamrita was lying on the top rack. And 17 volumes of Chaitanya Charitamrita were lying there. And their jackets were golden in color. Prabhupada had told to make the jackets as golden in color. So this golden jacket saved my life. I picked up those books because they were golden. There was no other book which was golden. I said, oh, these golden books. And the name is written in blue. In Adi Leela, the name is written in Adi Leela in blue. Then Madhya Leela in red. And then Antya Leela in green. So I said, what beautiful combination of colors. What is this golden book? And then when I took the Adi Leela, I took the blue book first, the Adi Leela. I took it down, and when I opened the book, the first verse which I read made me sold out to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. I was purchased wholesale by Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And the first verse goes like this, which I read. Shri Chaitanya Daya Tum. I felt as if Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is talking to me. Maybe he was talking to me. That's why he inspired me to open that page. He says, Shri Chaitanya Daya Tumi Karha Vichar Vichar Kalile Chitte Pabe Chamatkar. Krishnadas Kaviraj was telling me, just try to understand the mercy, the compassionate nature of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Think about it. And if you think about it, you will be astonished. Chamatkar. I said, oh, Chamatkar. If I am going to have a miracle by reading this book, let me read it. Who is this Sri Chaitanya? Of course, I knew Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from the beginning. My father used to bring that Shikshashtakam cassette when I was a small child in my home. And I used to go in a trance by hearing Shikshashtakam. But I never knew who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fully. That you come to know only by reading Chaitanya. And then when I started reading, I forgot all my other books. I did not feel any happiness in reading biology, geography, all these books, because giving me so much happiness. Reading, I read Chaitanya Charitamrita 5 times in 2.5 years in IIT. Again and again, because 2.5, 3 years were remaining. And I had to complete my degree. I wanted to run away and become a sannyasi, brahmachari, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's devotees are always become mad. You cannot hold them anywhere. Raghunath Das Goswami Raghunath Das Goswami wanted to run away from his beautiful wife and his 10 cooks and his 10 bodyguards. And then ultimately he ran away. Then said, Chaitanya ro bhakta hoi to batul. They are mad. They cannot be stopped. But I had that duty. I hope IIT is not hearing. I had this duty to complete my course. Because if I don't complete my course, then it doesn't set a good example for the future generations to take up bhakti while studying. You should have a balance. But by the mercy of Chaitanya Charitamrita, I was reading Chaitanya Charitamrita most of the time in the day. But in the balance time, within 1 or 2 hours, I was reading the other subjects, and I used to come first in my department. So, it's very important. And Chaitanya Charitamrita also protected me when in the last stages in IIT, because I was so smart and intelligent, lot of women, girls also, we were working in the laboratories and in IIT. So everybody was attracted to me, how he is coming first in the department like this without studying. But I was taking shelter of Chaitanya Charitamrita. And for me the whole world was full with happiness. Vishwam purna sukhayate vidhi mahendradish kitayate. And I was brahmachari right from my birth. I have never, even in my school, we were in a boys' school, and in our college, I didn't know the name of any girls. And even in IIT, I did not know anybody's name. And when I was in as a brahmachari for 12 years, you can ask my record. It was like, because I was so much attracted to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I was not interested in anything else. And now after becoming a guru and sannyasi, I feel very happy. I am able to serve everyone, irrespective of qualification, disqualification. Actually, sannyas means a bigger servant, a bigger assistant of Radha and Krishna, of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So, I thank you very much for coming daily to hear this Chaitanya Charitamrita, and because of that, I am also able to hear Chaitanya Charitamrita. Yes. Ashok Gauranga Das, Radha Dasi and Vaishnavi, they are leaving today. So, very sad. Yeah, when devotees leave. No, we are going to broadcast this Katha live on Voxer from tomorrow. I am planning, I will need 2 phones for that. And because one phone is used for recording, other phone will be broadcasting on Voxer. The day before yesterday's night, Sankirtan on Radha Kund, we have broadcasted live, and everybody was very ecstatic. So, please make your goal Radha Kund, and please come again and again. And please make the whole year like Kartik. Just like you stay for Kartik, come and stay for the whole year. I will take break once in a while. I'm sorry for that. 1 or 2 days in a month. Even mortal people like me need some break to sit and meditate. No, I was sick. I kept the window open in my room and all the cold entered in the night. If I keep the window closed, I don't get proper sleep because of air circulation. If I keep it open, I get the cold. And every day morning in the cold, I wake up, I get a severe sore throat. I have this problem of tonsillitis, I think. So anyway, cold season is a little difficult for me, so please bear with me. In summer, I don't mind, even if I'm sweating, I will bathe in the sweat but give katha. There is no problem. But winter is a little difficult sometimes. So, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.